like to send love and light to Breonna Taylor's family. May justice be served for you, my queen. In today's episode of Cooking with El Marquis in Paris, it's Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday is in full effect. So I just buy ground beef, or you can use ground turkey. Normally I use turkey. My store didn't have it today, so I'm using ground beef. And you just let it sizzle and cook, and you break it up and you season it. I use garlic salt and pepper, just a little bit, and then I put my taco seasoning mix in. So we're just gonna let that brown a little bit, and then I'll show you guys exactly how to assemble whatever taco you choose of your choice. If you like your meat spicy, feel free to add a dash of paprika. A little paprika ain't never hurt nobody. So now, as you can see, our meat is getting a little bit more brown. Feel free to turn it off if you see a little pink if you want to. However, I like my meat well done. As far as oil in the pan, I don't put a lot of oil in my pan when I cook beef down, because it makes its own oil. It produces its own oil. So as you can see, it's just simmering nicely. I'm going to let these little pink parts cook some more. Like I said, I like it well done. However, if you like to add onion, green pepper, feel free. I'm not really an onion person, and that's why it's no onions in this. There's no green peppers or anything. Feel free to slice them and top your taco with the onion and the peppers if you would like to. But I just like it plain. Honestly, I just like my tacos with tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, jalapenos, and the shredded lettuce. But to each his own. Now it's time to officially assemble our tacos. I'm using the soft tortilla bowls. I'm actually going to warm this up because I don't like it cold. I'm going to cut up some tomatoes. I have some chipotle street sauce for the tacos, my meat that I made, sour cream, jalapenos, some shredded lettuce. Oh, I'm missing cheese. I'll get the cheese. But this in here in the aluminum foil is actually and a half of an avocado that I didn't use for breakfast, so I'm definitely going to put that on there. And I'm going to add cheese, so I'll be back and let you guys see the final result. So I'm almost out, like it's barely any in here, but it's just enough for my taco tonight. So I'm using the Taco Bell salsa verde shredded cheese, and that's going to make it yummy. So this is my finished product after I assembled everything. It looks yummy. I can't wait to get into it. I put the tacos chipotle street sauce on top, and I'm gonna have me a glass of wine. So until next time, stay clutch. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in my next video. Bye.